kelas boleh dengar ke?
Dengar Doktor.
Okey, boleh tak ada sangkut-sangkut ke apa? Tolong sekejap Okey, boleh dengar kelas Hello?
Boleh dengar Doktor.
I think I kena change lah mungkin okay, tadi video resolution too high, that's why dia slow. Okay, function decomposition, you can see saya punya ni Boleh nampak
Boleh Doktor.
Okay, function okay, sekarang you punya, this is your black box this is your black box. Kita have to apa ni, kena decompose lah this black box unknown kan. These are your main function. So black box. So we have to decompose what inside this black box. But we know our input is base cow not feeded and output is cow feeded. Okay, then after if we agree to this, then our next step is we have to list down all the possible subfunction that in this possible subfunction So we list punya possible subfunction. Pasal kita tahu, kita punya ni, we know that ini adalah base cow not feeded. The input is base cow not feeded, and the output is cow feeded. You can put base cow jugalah. So that's our black box. So you have to decompose it. You have to list down. So you and your group handle Google. You list down on your Jamboard. What is the possible function? Because some of you already do visit the place at the farm though. If you look on their manual of doing thing of feeding mechanism, they are feeding how do dia punya manual task of feeding the cow. Pasal when you go there, your client tu, Mr. Kadir tu, they ask you to solve what type of problem. You need to feed the cow either automatically or something like that, or systematically lah. Replace dia punya manual task of feeding the cow because it's kind like tedious job tedious punya activity to do to manual, because from what I know the cow is already based and the next stage is in the cage. Kandang tu we have 2 rows, am I right? Betul tak? This is the layout of the kandang. Betul tak Okay, so we have 2 rows of kandang in the cage. Okay, the cow is like this. Okay, we have 2 rows. 1 row is 40 cow. Betul yang saya nak Mr. Gam, betul tak? 40, betul tak?
Lebih kurang macam tu Doktor.
Lebih kurang. So you have to be exact right? You have to be exact. You got to know what actually So all this parameter is stated in your PDS. Kalau PDS tak mention ni, you have to be stated under performance. The size of any heading that you think is suitable for you to put all this information, because it's all information you need to share with your team members. So information to represent the information, everything is your product design spec. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, it's like this in the case. So actually, I hope he already gave you all the layout plan, so you know the story, the size. Okay, when the cow is you want to design your system of cow feeding mechanism, cow feeding system ni. How do you want to interpret it? Because this is our function decomposition. Okay, input of our system, the cow is already based and the cow is not feeded, but the output of our system here, the cow is already based. The cow is already feeded. Okay, the output is cow already feeded. When the cow is already feeded, what is the next stage? Is the cow stay in the cage or what? Or the cow will go another operation? Come on,
Stay
ini
in the
your input, guys.
cage.
Come on.
Stay in the cage.
Stay in the cage. Okay, if stay in the cage, you got to be exact. Stay in the cage. All these statement that I cakap ni, modify balik your product design specification under performance under white heading. So stay in the cage, potty, perut, everything is there. That's why I need to see. I got to check your PDS by today. I got to check it, make sure it's detailed. Okay, it's already stated because you can share to your team members the exact information, the exact requirement that you want before we generate ideas. Okay, if this is the scenario, okay, what is the possible? Consider the what is the possible function from starting here. Okay, the input is cow is not feeded, the output is cow is feeded. So what is you list down? What is the possible keyword? Keyword in terms of function. Okay, for example, I name one keyword lah. Of course lah, our key is feeding kan, feeding the cow. Okay, kenapa? Feeding the cow. That's one lah, main thing. Even it's a main function, tak apa. Feeding the cow. That is one keyword. One function, feeding the cow. Apa lagi? Throw down all the possible keyword involved. Come on guys, I need your input. Come on. For example, you can consider that your, okay, let's say, before they feeding the cow, the cow is already based, right? Is that the procedure? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. The cow base is not in this cage, right?
Currently
Yes.
it is.
Yes.
It is.
Outside, right?
Yes.
Outside kan? Outside. Okay, then the cow will enter here, right? The cow will enter. Betul? All the cows. Enter this cage to be feeded. Betul lah kan?
Betul.
Kelas.
Betul.
Kelas, I need your response kelas. I need your response kelas. Jangan pasif semua aktif. Betul? Right. So you punya system, you are feeding tau. You are feeding. Feeding it means you punya system, do you include the cow need to be in position or the cow is initially in the cell? Is ni in cell dia lah. Or pasal dia ada dia punya individual cell, individual cage lah. Betul kan? Are you going to design the feeding system, the cow entering semua together. Dia punya proses dia, the cow enter you punya row ni, one go to first row, one to go to second row, and now you punya system also including all these things. Then you will do the transfer the food, then pouring the food equally distributed, and then will do the feeding the cow. Because we are designing a system that are kind like to solve manual tasks, right? Kind like automatically a system or device something. So do you want your parameter? I mean, you punya scope of your project of cow feeding device, are you considering the cow entering together? Kalau if this is your scope, okay, you can argue later with me lah. Kalau you punya scope, kalau your scope entering the whole system, you have to jot down apa possible function di sini. For example, just jot down under possible sub function. Ini you brainstorm, you dengan your group member, throw out all the possible. Cow enter, cow inline, beratur. Sometimes the word is redundant. Kita boleh omit, kita put under same. Cow in order. This all the possible keyword of subfunction. Because we need to break down this black box into decompose into subfunction like a flow chart. Understand what I mean? Then we can make a morphological chart. Kelas clear ke tak? Kelas, okay?
Okay.
Faham
Faham tak?
Alright, okay, terus apa lagi? Feeding the cow, cow enter, cow inline, cow apa lagi? Lepas apa? What is the scenario there? Terus all the possible function keyword.
Milking.
Chopping the cow, itu merepek lah, chopping the cow. Kita bukan nak cut the cow for the meat. Okay, lepas kita bagi tempat. Apa?
Milking.
Ha? So kamu dah, ini input from all of you. Ha?
Peras susu dia.
Say loudly. Ha?
Peras susu dia.
Apa?
Peras susu dia.
Peras susu. Kita bukan nak peras susu, kita nak bagi makan.
Distribute the food dah.
Distribute the food. Distribute the food. Okay, that's one word. Come on, all of you, throw down. Tak kisah, nothing. Yang peras susu tu, sorry lah. Kita tak peras susu lah Anything possible.
Keeping the food in lane.
Cow eating the food. Tak apa, kita try. Cow eating the food. Dia word, dia macam nampak distribute. Dia function punya word. And cow enter, dia macam function. Feeding the cow. Cow inline. Tak apalah, okay. Cow eating, tak apa. Nanti kita akan boleh omit yang mana cow eating the food. Okay, tak apa, tak apa. Okay, you just jot down. This is what you do nanti. Cow eating the food, then what? Cepat kelas, ini input. Bukan saya seorang, this is the input. Come on. This is
Keeping
how
the
simple
food.
thing. Ha?
Keeping the food. Keeping the food in right position because the cow
Yeah.
tendency to push the food outwards.
Position the cow ke position the food?
The food.
Position the food. Betul lah kan? Okay, lagi apa? Some of you might cakap locate the food. Dia ada benda yang redundant, tak apa nanti kalau you are active, locate the food. Tapi I need input guys, I need to be active. Locate the food.
Mixture of the food.
Apa?
Mixture of
Yeah, mixture of the food. Tak apa, kita buat nanti kita susun itu bentuk function mixture. Ini sekarang keyword. It's okay. Mix. You mean you mix the food lah Mix the food. Apa you cakap? Is that your point? Hello?
mixture, dia campuran antara ubi, nanas, something macam tu lah.
Okay, the condition dia memang dah put dah pour ke, because normally it's not in mixture, right? Is it? At the moment they when they give the food, they have to mix it, right?
Betul.
Betul.
Dia kena
Mix the food lah.
dia kena campur dulu dengan dedak apa semua baru dibagi kat ni.
Okay, right. Mix the food. Okay, I also heard that when they pour the food, the food are together because they are using the shovel, right? Kan? The food is mixed with the sand, betul lah, the soil, the dirt. Kita cakap the dirt, betul lah kan? Together kan? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, betul.
Yeah, when they pour the food manually, sometimes they use shovel. The food sometimes is mixed together with the dirt, tanah lah. Sometimes the cow cannot eat the food yang bercampur mixed with the dirt, kan? So we need to separate the food, betul tak kan? Betul tak guys?
Betul.
Apa kita sebut sini? Apa kita sebut? Separate the food from the dirt. Betul tak? That's another sub function. Lagi. Kamu lah lain, takkan saya, you know better than me.
Portion of the food ke?
Portion of the food. Maksud you portion of the food apa dia?
For each cow kata.
Nanti kita akan tengok mana ada same group, kita omit. Sana dia mix the food, portion of the food maybe under the same group. Okay. Portion of the food. Mix the food lah. Mix to portion, I think dapat is okay. Kita throw down, nanti kita filter, kita put under one name. Lagi? You want to design a system kan, dia ni kind like automatically will solve the manual task kan. So of course you punya system ni, I think dalam case ni, you mesti ada kind like ada storing the food, betul tak? You want to avoid, you want to reduce manpower. It means the food already have a container, betul tak?
Yes.
Container contain the food. Can I write something like that? Okay, actually guys, we need input from you. Tak apa, I give you an idea lah. Contain the food. You know, contain the food, it means kita how we contain the food. It means the food is already in storage in a tank or cylinder tank or itu solution. Okay, here we don't put solution guys. Jangan letak ini kind like function. Understand tak you what I mean? The sub function. Because our main function is a cow not base, and at the end a cow not feeded, the output is cow feeded. For basing, you use the same technique lah, tapi you get the picture Yang ni case ni I go for feeding. Contain the food, then what? Apa lagi? Kamu guys, cepat sikit. Cepatlah, ini your input. Cepat sikit. Masa berjalan ni. Apa lagi possible keyword? Dia punya task that will involve in term of function punya word. Sub function. Apa ni guys? Hello kelas.
Sekejap. Kalau nak cakap in terms of system ataupun machine tu boleh ke doktor?
Boleh everything. Pasal you punya machine lah. You are the one to design the machine kan. The
Kalau
system of machine
automated
kan.
ataupun semi automated itu solution ataupun
Itu tak boleh. Itu solution. Itu tak boleh. Pasal you semi auto and auto tak boleh. That is not function. That is solution. You faham tak? Itu
Faham.
solution. Nanti you will generate solution. We want to create morphological chart dulu. We kena tengok what is the title of our subfunction. Because our subfunction must be in order like a flow chart. So the main function is like this. So the point is kita punya kita want to break down like this guys. Kita want to break. So kita nak daripada tadi kita kena have a function decomposition. We have macam at least 5 lah. So what should be here in order? What should be, kita sambung sini. Macam ada 5 at least. It depend lah. I didn't say 5 or 6, something like that. Pasal kita punya blackboard, then only kita punya ni, cow. You can see my writing here. Cow feeder. Cow feeder. Yang ini, cow not feeder. You boleh letak base lah pasal the cow condition is base. Base cow. Atau you tak omit base pun I think is okay lah. Cow not feeder, cow feeder. Because kita tahulah the cow is totally base first. Then the cow will be feeded. Not feeded, the output of the. So at the beginning kita black box tadi kan. Black box. So kita macam what should be first, what should be second in order, what should be fourth and fifth. I didn't say fifth, maybe fourth. Tapi kalau you have 3 saja dia punya ni too shallow lah. I think kita more organized, kita what we break down into the main function into sub function in order. Understand tak guys? Faham tak?
faham.
Okay, kita have all the keyword. Okay. Apa lagi? Apa lagi?
Store the food. Store the food.
Store the food. Tadi I did say content kan? Store the food. Actually tak apa. Store the food. Under the same meaning. Nanti kita put under kita join this under one group lagi. Okay, the food is dalam storage kan. Pasal you punya ni is not manual job. You want to do something like automatically lah. I say automatically tu source apa? It kind like just replace manual job. The food tu ada kind like a feeder kan, betul tak kan? A feeder store the food. Dia kind like ada tangki lah, or feeder, or maybe okay, then the food tu bila dia in the container, macam dia ada kind like it would be play, itu solution nak place kat on the ground ke at the ceiling ke, itu later on, itu solution. Tapi dia ada kategori dia, function dia is the storage lah, or contain the food. Tetapi when they contain the food or store the food, how do they pour the food to the cow? Ya, betul lah kan? Let's say they're at the top ataupun maybe at luar, they have tangki, then using a pump or vacuum a pump, then go to PVC pipe, a very high blowing, something like that. How do you transfer from the storage of the food? Directly they will pour to the each cow, distributed equally. Okay, what's simple function? I just mentioned to you. What is possible function there?
Distribute food.
Transfer mechanism.
Transfer the food, kan? Transfer the food. This one. Tadi you cakap apa tadi? Distribute.
Distribute food.
Distribute. Satu lagi, dia transfer food. Satu lagi, they have to distribute the food. Distribute, what do you mean? Distribute the food. We distribute the food equally, betul lah kan? Am I right?
Yes.
Equally lah, kita ada word equally, betul lah kan? Equally, pasal each cow tu have to, we don't want the cow to be underfeeded, we don't want it to be overfeeded kan? We want to be just exact amount. The food is, because sometimes maybe, I don't know, maybe you already visited, you already discussed with your client, Cik Kadir, maybe he did told you, I'm not sure it's right or wrong, maybe you have look, do you see the legislation that I post in the internet? That one I just roughly, maybe you can get the legislation from Cik Kadir. Maybe under the legislation did mention that the cow cannot be, when you handle a cattle, the cow cannot be feeded, overfeeded and low feeded. Maybe it's just the type of food, okay tak apa, because at South Jannah they have their own food. I mean what type amount of food the cow, kalau to maintain the cow is healthy for susu kan. This cow is meant for dairy kan, dairy product for dairy susu. So maybe it will affect kalau overfeeded. So it distribute the food equally. So I think this this is a really strong function should be there lah dalam you punya ni, the food equally. So I mean equally tu berapa amount tu later on. Tapi we must be there. Okay, apa lagi? Kamu guys, takkan saya je ni tadi. Kata dia korang ada banyak lagi apa? Ada lagi tak? Distribute the food. What else? Apa lagi guys? Ada isu tentang cow tak when they are eating? Guys, can you hear me or not?
Yes, Doktor.
Ada isu about the cow. How's the cow behavior when they are feeding the cow when you visit the place?
Dia macam makan tolak ke depan.
Makan tolak ke depan kan. The cow behavior is
Maksud nanti pekerjanya kena tolak balik dia punya makanan tu
yeah.
masuk ke dalam
The cow is not in position, right? Betul tak? Betul ke apa saya cakap? The cow is not.
Yes, Doktor.
Betul.
So what function we call that one? Can you see my writing sana lagi kan? Ada space lagi. Okay, apa lagi? Position the cow.
The cow.
Ni position the cow when
eating, when feeding.
When feeding. Ini tadi position lain Tadi mungkin tadi ada I mention position the cow masa in order in line. Position maybe cow okay tak apa. Ini position the cow when feeding. This is important also. Ada lagi tak? Ada else tak? Ada something lagi? Ada lagi tak? Tadi kita cakap contain the food kan, storage the food under the same meaning. Then kita transfer the food, then kita locate the food kan. Okay, locate. What do you mean by locate? Ada lagi tak? Ada lagi possible word about the food? How do we equally distribute? We already mentioned here. Distribute the food. Ada lagi possible keyword?
Kalau macam saki-baki makanan tu nak di-remove, boleh tak?
Macam mana?
Macam contoh kan sebelum nak masuk ke makanan baru kan ada yang baki makanan tinggal tu kena dibersihkan. Jadi macam apa? Remove excess food.
Yeah. Okay. Remove
exit food.
Apa kita sebut? Apa tu excessive apa? Remove
Excessive
How-
atau unfresh food.
Yalah, the word my grammar also not good. Excessive food. Apa kita cakap? Excessive EX what? Am I right?
Yes, excessive, I think.
English come on. Oh, my English sama betul kan saya? Excessive. Nak cakap leftover tak boleh lah. Remove leftover
Unfresh,
ke apa?
Doktor? If unfresh food, macam food tu dah tak fresh.
Itu under the same meaning lah. Remove. Betul my English right? Remove. Apa excessive
Excessive.
food. Tak, I mean the food that lebih-lebih lah. Apa what you call that?
Melayu dia saki-baki.
Excessive. I think excessive.
Betul kan? Yelah. Okay. My English betul. Remove excessive food. Betul. Okay. I think okay lah. Kita nak I cut short the time sebenarnya banyak we can put more Okay, this one ni guys, what we did ni, you boleh buat tak Google Jamboard you and your group. Immediately lah boleh saya cakap, not tunggu the next class Our next class will be on Thursday, right? Do not wait Thursday, you buat ni. I mean the Thursday you dah ready, dah siap. Okay, this is you have all the keyword is there. Then the next move is you arrangekan which one yang keyword tu you make into the function decomposition. Okay. So you have this one. Okay, your next move. Okay, sekarang ni kita tengok Kita want to make the flowchart sekarang. Ini cow not feeder. Okay, what is should be the first sub function first? What is should be the second sub function? Kita tengok from all the keyword that kita throw tadi. Yang kita throw all the keywords here, kita arrange, tapi kita cannot put all because some of the keyword is under the same group, right? So we filter out lah. So we have this what we call function decomposition. Function decomposition. So we make like a flow chart. Function decomposition. I don't know. It could be 5, could be 4. I don't know. It's up to you because it depends. So you can make, but if you put too many, tak boleh. Dia kind like not, you cannot put too much sub function because it become what we call it hinder your creativity because you are too specific. If you too much, if you put too low, also not good. Just about the right amount of sub function. I hope you understand. Then you combine it, it become a complete main function, main system. This is a combine of subsystem. Okay. Okay. Okay, what should be first? What should be first? Okay, we go back to apa yang the keyword that we throw out. Macam, okay, I cakap if you punya case that you consider your system, the cow start from the cow entering the cage after the cow is based. The cow entering the cage, so we should put the position the cow. Nampak tak? Can you see it? The cow in line, the cow in order. Nampak tak? Plus, this all under the script. The cow in line, the cow in order, I deduct ni, I want to put under one. Cow in line, cow in order, and mana lagi? Cow enter, nampak tak? Cow enter is under the same meaning, apa? Under the same, same category. Cow enter, cow in line, cow in order. Our cow enter is the first. Tu tengok, how do cow enter kan? Or maybe cow in line, you put under, maybe this one under same group lah. Okay, this one contain, this more cow, this more about the food handling and so on. Alright, okay. Cow enter, cow in line, cow in order. Apa kita can represent under what the name of function? Apa dia? Apa nama dia? Can we replace it under one word?
Cow in position.
Rearrange, reposition.
Okay, can we say it? Kita place ni place cow in order. Okay, you boleh buat lain lah. Ini kalau saya lah, place cow in order. Boleh? Macam lagging sikit. Okay, right. Okay, alright. So ini kita dah omit. Okay, what is the second one? What should be the second in? After the cow placed in order, you mean the cow entering, masuk ke dalam unit cell lah. Faham tak guys? Hello guys, are you with me or not? Class?
Yes, Dr.
Alright, okay. Okay, what will be second under kita punya subsystem? Ikut order dia. Okay, first place cow in order, then?
Enter cage.
Tak, this one already consider enter the cage lah. Place cow in order dah consider dalam tadi kita dah ni. Enter cow enter tadi kan. Cow enter kita I dah cancel. I mean I dah put this one. Yang left over apa? What should be second ni?
Mix
Portion of
food.
the food tu.
Mix.
Remove the leftover food.
Remove the leftover atau remove the leftover food yang at the end?
Yes. Distribute the food ataupun mix the food.
Do we consider like after the cow enter is a matter sekarang kita start from the storage tu?
Oh.
Containing the food. Boleh ke? For the second. Okay, the cow dah place in order. The cow, how we place cow in order? Start from here, kita start from the storage. Pasal kita try to feed the cow. You mean our system start from here, after the cow is in position in the cell. So our in the cell. So our punya second ni is more kita fokus on start from the storage unit of the food. Betul lah kan? And need
Storage
to
of
distribute to
storage
the,
of the food tu dia kira mixture sekali ke apa?
you are right lah tu. Itulah kita kena discuss. Kita kena discuss macam mana. Okay, sekarang ni place kau in order. Sekarang ni in term of subfunction we need the storage. Betul lah kan? Nampak tak keyword yang cakap yang containing the food? Nampak tak ya? Containing the food, store the food ni. Nampak tak? Store the food, containing the food. Betul tak? Ni dua ni.
Betul.
Plus, can you see what I'm talking about ni? Apa ni?
Yeah,
Contain the
yeah,
food,
boleh.
store the food. Okay, I cancel ni. Ini replace by what? Ada lagi benda yang sama tak? Mix the food tu nanti. About storing the food. Contain the food, store the food. Ada lagi? Tak ada. Okay, itu. Contain the food, store the food should be second tak? About storage. Nanti dulu, I think ini my opinion lah. The storage of the food tu dia dah mix together. Tak apa, dia mix dulu kan. Maybe they have the, betul lah kan? Because dia punya pekerja don't have time to awal-awal lagi to separate the food, all the dirt from the ni kan. So just pour it by wheelbarrow and use shovel, pour it into the storage. Your storage tu outside dia punya cage or maybe inside and dia punya storage of you punya food. Okay, now we are talking what type version of storage Food storage, store the food kan. Okay, can I say this? Store the food. Ini maksudnya word the function, store the food. How do you store the food? Boleh? Okay, this is about storage Contain the food, store the food. Agree Ini contoh I cakap you tapi ni lah, it is the way I do it lah. Maybe you have different idea. Okay. After we store the food, do we need to separate dulu ke we need to transfer dulu?
Separate dulu.
Kita had the food is mixed. Tadi you cakap mix the food kan, mix the food, distribute the food. Ada issue on if I cakap separate separate the food from the dirt. Nampak tak? Yang tadi mix the food ni, I think mix the food ni is together dengan storage. Am I right?
Sebelum lagi.
Boleh juga sekali kan.
Mix the food masih bila ni?
Biasanya sebelum di storage.
Before store.
Before store. Mix tu saya tak faham. You are the guy who do the visit. You mix tu, how do you mix? Maksud dia how do they mix it? Kalau manual job dia how do they do it?
Dia orang pakai mesin macam blender tu. Namanya TMR.
Yes. Macam blender big one ke apa? Macam
big one.
Macam concrete mixer ke?
Betul. Macam mixer.
Macam concrete mixer dan dia mix kan? Mix the food. Then they manually, then they do it, they pour it into the cow. Macam tu lah, macam tu ya?
Betul. Betul.
Okay, they have issue the food tu sometimes bercampur dengan tanah kan? Kan?
Itu masa makan.
Ya. Yang isu yang tanah tu masa makan. Sebab tu dia letak makanan tu dekat kandang tu atas simen.
Dia suggestkan untuk pakai simen lah.
Oh, dia letak makanan tu atas simen Tak apa, it's okay. Okay, dia saja atas simen. You can do social, maybe atas simen, maybe you have a different solution. Tetapi it's okay. Tetapi I'm talking about the stage of process. Yang tadi yang mula-mula dia blend, dia mix the food, all the from the jagung, betul kan? Jagung, ubi kayu, am I right kan? Tapiokana, corn, dia mix betul kan? Lagi apa? Apa lagi food?
Ada nanas tu.
Ada nanas together, pineapple, they mix and they use like concrete mixer lah, kind like they blend kan, they blend. Okay, is your system need together, is that part of your system? If you consider that one blend, because we have, kita ada place counter, kita ada store the food kan, store the food, how we store the food. Okay, do we consider the store the food we have already, consider it mix, pasal kita want to reduce the manual job tu lah kan. Okay, place count in order, then what should be food? Is it kita mix the food first dulu ke store the food first?
Store the food tu dalam mesin ataupun dekat
I think mix the food first.
Okay, mix the food first
Yes.
Okay, mix the food. Then you store the food, right? Betul. Okay, I didn't say mine is right. It just give you a guideline, okay? You can use him to give you picture how we do it. Okay, maybe you can discuss because you know better than me. You are the one who visit the industry. You know better. You know exactly how they're doing manual job. What is their problem? Okay, let's consider we mix the food first. You mean your system has kind of like mixing the food? Because the food have to be mixed first, right? So it enough kind like we call it, they blend it together, and then only the food is ready for the cow. Or then do we need to store the food? Do you need to store the food, right? Because already consider, let's say I might consider we put store the food. Okay, you put here, store the food. Nampak tak? Dia kind of flow of process. After store the food, okay, then what? After store the food, then what?
Place.
Apa
Train
yang
for
kita
the
tinggal
food.
tadi? Position the food. Ni, position the food. Nampak? Position the food. Okay, mix the food tadi already done. Okay, kita cancel. Apa is this? Portion. Apa tadi kita cakap ni? Portion the food. Portion of the food tadi masuk apa? Just now?
Portion tu saya rasa
Mixture.
dekat dalam mixture tu.
Mixture kan? Aku consider. Alright. Dah consider itu under mix. Kita dah put here mix Kita dah put mix. Okay, we have position the food, distribute the food, separate the food from the dirt, remove excessive food. I think this is the last Ni last one. This is my opinion. Kalau you, maybe you have different approach. Ni. Locate the food, transfer the food, distribute the food. Which one cover? Maybe dia ada redundant, maybe under one same meaning. Come on, help me. Cepat sikit lah guys, takkan saya je. Jangan sikit-sikit. What should be here? Cepat guys.
Transfer the food lah.
After storage, I think it should be distributed.
Okay, store the food, distribute the food. Agree? Transfer the food, distribute. Okay, transfer the food. Macam we have a storage, we want to transfer the food.
Doctor, transfer and distribution is the same thing?
Is it under the same meaning, guys? What about the others? Is it the same meaning? Transfer and distribute.
No.
Distribute, we equally divide now. Distribute the food equally divided. It means each cow have the same amount of food. Transfer is bought from the storage, from the container. How you transfer it? Maybe by C channel, maybe by PVC pipe. That is solution. Pasal kita kena put solution here. Itu later on. When you do the morphology chart, then you throw out all the solution. Okay. I think it's separately, right? It's not the same, right? Betul tak?
Right. So we can.
Right. Okay. So this one transfer the food first. Okay. Maybe.
Transfer and
maybe I'm
distribute.
wrong. Maybe you are right. Distribute can be together. I need your opinion, guys. What do you mean by distribute the food equally? You mean from the storage, can we distribute the food equally directly after that? Or we need to transfer first?
Transfer first.
Transfer. Okay.
And then
You can argue
distribute.
later. Okay, never mind. You can argue later. Okay, let's say kita consider transfer the food. Transfer the food. So what will be next? Okay, transfer the food, cancel. What is have the same? Locate the food. What do you say locate? Feeding the cow. Feeding the cow ni already. Okay, feeding. Okay. Transfer the food already. I don't want to. I want to position the food, separate the food, position the food, transfer the food. Okay, transfer already there. Okay, now we have locate the food, position the food, locate the food. Same meaning, right? Hello guys. Hello class.
Position dengan distribute dengan locate macam sama.
Locate dengan position sama.
Sama.
Distribute, locate and position, is it the same?
Sebab kalau dah distribute, position dia dah fix sekali kan.
Locate the food, position the food, distribute. Is it the same meaning? Or you want to put here, transfer the food. How do you transfer? Technique, how do you transfer? So you can do a lot of solution in here. Okay, after transfer, what is the categories of function here? Maybe you can add more here lah, tambah lagi see here lah. Okay. After transfer the food, then we do what?
Distribute.
Transfer the food, distribute.
Distribute and cow location.
I think position the food and transfer is the same, right? Betul kan?
Ya, betul.
Huh?
Betul.
The position the food, transfer the food.
Actually, Doctor, the position of the
Transfer is
food.
conveying, guys. Transfer is not position actually. Transfer is how you convey the
Yeah.
food from the tank, from the container. How you transfer it, C channel pipe, PVC pipe, or vacuum suction, or maybe a flow of, I don't know what type of channel you use, or maybe kind of robotic arm. There's a lot of solution. Can maybe what I'm thinking is more is like channel. PVC tube, C channel, box channel, and so on. Kind of hollow channel you transfer. Okay, how you maybe you use vacuum, maybe you use pump, blower. How you transfer the food? Maybe you use screw conveyor. Maybe you use conveyor to transfer the food. That means you convey the food. After you convey the food, then you need to equally. Am I right? You need to equally distribute the food. Am I right? Yeah.
Yes.
Betul.
Okay. Then
Ah.
distribute. Am I
Sebenarnya
right?
yang
Okay. So this one should be distribute. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, Doctor, distribute.
Okay, this okay. So kita position the food cancel, kita distribute cancel, kita already done. What about locate the food?
yang position
Done
food
lah,
tu
done lah. Okay, done. What about separate the food from the dirt? Tadi somebody what's up ni? Ada issue on this. Masa dia mix tu, this one already consider separate or not from the dirt?
Dia masa lepas distribute tu, Doktor, ada problem dengan dirt.
Transfer the food, distribute the food. Tak, I kind like, oh yeah, ada issue, kind like argue here. Is it distribute, transfer the same?
Maybe transfer is mean from the storage to the
Yeah,
system or
transfer from the
machine.
storage. Transfer from the storage.
And then
distribute
the machine will distribute the food
equally
to each cow.
Is it important? Important kan? Equally kan?
Yes.
Okay, should be here. Okay, transfer. Okay, what's next? What's here? What is here? This one apa?
Position the food.
Sekarang kita dah ni, separate the food from the dirt ni. Ni masa bila ni? Somebody WhatsApp ni, separate the food from the dirt.
Masalah separate the food from the dirt ni actually bila sekarang ni lah tempat makan dia tu kan, dia tanah tau. Bila dia letak makanan tu, bila dia sebenarnya waktu dia mixture tu sebenarnya memang tak ada dirt pun. Bila dia dah masukkan memang tak ada dirt pun.
Already we have dirt kan? Right. Okay.
We don't have dirt anymore. But when they distribute the food, currently the eating place they have dirt there. So when the cow eats it, then it gets mixed with the dirt on the ground yang ada kat situ sekarang. Sebab tu Encik Kadir tu cakap mungkin kita boleh install a cement ke untuk tempat makan dia.
Jadi apa function tu? Separate itu kita what we call it, separate the food from the dirt. What we call the function here? What's the name of that function?
Tempat makannya macam dah ada simen.
Okay, what the function that we miss here before anything, before somewhere here? Or is it after distribute the food, we filter the food, or apa kita separate the food here? Separate the food from the dirt ke here kat sini? Or at the beginning? I think it should be at the beginning, right? Okay, mix the food, store the food. I think here. It should be here, right? Before store the food. Separate the food from the dirt. Plus, are you with me?
I want to ask, dirt tu muncul apabila kita dah distribute makanan, betul tak?
Yelah. Maybe saya tak nampak you cakap tadi, itulah tadi someone mention tadi masa when you distribute, then ada dirt.
So
Am I right?
Maybe the problem tempat yang
tapi tempat yang ada dibagi makanan tu dah ada simen dah.
Oh, dah ada simen. So dirt tu coming from?
Mungkin sebelum tempat dia simpan makanan tu mungkin ada letak atas tak sure. Tapi memang dia
semen tu tak bersih. Tak apa semen tu tak bersih.
Simen tu tak bersih.
Okay guys, begini. Kalau kita kalau kita ada storage, store the food, kita ada container, dan kita transfer gitu, ada issue on dirt tak? Kalau tak ada issue, no hal, tak payah, no need.
I think no. Tapi kalau in term of storage, maybe no problem, Doktor. Tapi bila dah distribute tu, so Doktor kata tempat tu simen maybe ada dirt dekat situ.
Rasa macam dah overcome.
Hey, why did they put currently they put the food on the cement?
To prevent the food from mixing with the dirt.
Why? My question, why do they currently they pour the food on the cement, right? They pour the food on the cement. Bila they pour the food, then only we have issue that it mix with the dirt lah. Pasal the cement is not clean kan, ada pasir kan.
Yes.
Betul. Sikit-sikit lah.
Kau katakan you have a container and then you have the macam you have a channel, you tak sentuh langsung cement. Am I right?
Yeah.
Boleh tak kita omit yang tu is not an issue, boleh? This is example lah. You have to follow me. Ni contohnya kita discuss. Let's say I'm one of your team member lah Okay, let's say consider macam tu. Alright So tak ada. Okay. So tak payah ni Not issue. Okay, position the cow when feeding ni. Apa ni? Position the cow when feeding ni. Ini issue kan? This is big issue betul lah kan? Hello class.
Yes, Dr.
Oh, ya data tu issue.
Issue. Okay. After this ke? Betul kan?
Bila dia makan, makanan tu akan lari.
Kenapa?
Sebab dia alih macam tu lah. Membutuhkan alih makanan.
Okay, the issue when the cow is eating, the kind like have problem with the cow, the makanan akan lari. The cow food is not stay in position, right? That's the issue, right? Position the cow. So it means currently the problem is the food lari ke the cow lari? Is it the problem? The cow position is not right or the food position is not right?
Food lari.
Kepala dia kan tolak makanan.
Okay, the issue now, position the cow ke position the food?
Position the food.
Position the food.
Bukan the cow?
Bukan.
Pasal somebody voice out ni, position the cow when feeding.
Tu
Tadi yang you
macam
throw out
awal-awal tu first tadi kot letter yang first tadi tu.
The first Okay. Tadi, what is the issue right now? Somebody throw out ni, I just write down. Position the cow when feeding is masa when the cow is eating. Now, at this moment, the cow is eating. The cow is eating. The food's already poured. We already done distribute the food equally. Okay. Now the cow is eating. Issue the cow is moving or the food is moving. What is the issue right now?
The food is moving.
The food is moving. So we
Yes.
should position the food.
Position the food, yeah.
Or position the cow when feeding or what?
Position the maybe for the cow position tak ada problem doktor mungkin. Yang problem is position of the food. Sebab bila dia makan dia akan tolak-tolak ke depan.
Dia makanan dia pour on the cement, right? Currently.
Yeah.
Betul.
Okay, they pour the food on the cement. The cow is eating. Apa yang dia tolak? The food is not going anywhere. The cow is moving. The cow?
Dia kira macam dia tolak tu. Dia punya makanan jauh sikit daripada area tempat dia makan.
Okay, dia punya makanan is granular, betul lah? Is bijirin or what? Or is it wetty food or kind like granular? Bijirin macam mana? I also not sure. Corn mixed with pineapple, with tapioca, ubi kayu.
Dalam group
Dia kind like what? The food condition.
dalam group tu ada doktor contoh
Macam rumput.
tu.
Macam
rumput kering macam tu.
Rumput?
Dia panjang-panjang.
Panjang-panjang. Sorry lah, saya tak into it. You guys into it. Yeah. Okay. The problem is the food when they push the food so they cannot ni. So here position the food is more issue, not the cow. Position the food. Okay. Tu je lah. Betul lah kan? Position the food. Kan? Hello class. Last one. Position the food. Betul?
Yes,
Class.
betul.
Yes.
Ada lagi tak? Is there another more?
Remove
Last one.
excessive food tu doktor?
Issue. There is that issue.
Yeah.
Okay, ni done. Ni distribute the food also done. Cow eating food tak payah. Okay, last one. Remove excessive food.
Remove excessive food tu sebelum dan selepas. Maksudnya sebelum nak letak makanan baru.
Yup. Okay. Remove excessive food. You can do a lot of solution lah. Either spray by water jet and clean lah. Itu that solution. But you cannot put this one. We need the subfunction. I think that's all boleh done So the output is cow feeder. Okay. Faham guys? This is how you do things. This is not exactly your do. You can use my template if you want to. Okay, for basing group, I hope you understand. This is how we do works. Boleh tak? Siapa doing basing je? Kelas.
Faham.
Ada kan? Dua group, if I'm not mistaken, kan, doing basing, right? This, the idea you get the picture tak? This how you do things. Betul tak? Maybe you look on the punya sub, dia punya apa? The breakdown of the punya, this what we call function decomposition. Okay, now this our sample case is feeding. Okay, now you dah agree, You dah agree. So we start from the, okay, we have our black box. We are decompose our system into subsystem. So we agree on this. Then we make a morphological chart, Morphological chart. So what you do? You don't use paper, guys. Like me, kalau you face to face, I ask the student do it on the whiteboard. Go separate, find, search all the class, empty classes. Find the whiteboard and you do it, and you snapshot everything, Takes time, maybe 3 hours, long hours to do this. Okay, I hope you after this class you do it. Conduct, you do Jamboard, you discuss all these things. Okay, maybe you have your own version, or maybe you can use this one. And then after this, after you are ready with your function block, this is what we call function analysis lah. Function analysis. Then you do the morphological chart. Okay, to do the morphological chart, I think you dah buat benda ni kan. You already done this in I2D, betul tak? Am I right? Betul tak? Kelas?
Betul.
Kan? You dah buat benda ni, I2D. Alright, then you make a chart. Use Jamboard, Even A3 also not good. Pasal kalau you face with your whiteboard, you sit down, bring together minuman ni, makan dia humor style. It takes long time, 3 hours I think at least. Discuss, throw out all the ideas on your cell in your morphological chart. So you make a chart like this. Okay, you make a chart. Okay. Okay, this is your function lah. Function that we already agree just now. All the sub function, ikut follow the flow. What's the flow? Okay, this is idea. Your column will be your ideas. Okay, you have, the more column you have, the much better. At least 6 guys. 8 is good. Kalau too much, it take you for a long time. Not too much, not too short lah you punya column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is good. Kalau 6, minimum 6 I guess guys. This the number of column does not represent the number of your team member. A lot of group they misunderstood. They thought, okay, either one is student team member 1 throw idea. No. Everybody can throw out all the ideas. Fill in all the cell. Okay, either 1, either 2. Anybody just throw out all the idea. Okay, let's say you have 6 column. Okay, 7 column. Okay. Then your main sub function just now. Your main sub function just now is place cow in order. You write down place cow in order. Kemudian ni betul tadi. Saya pun apa? Lepas place cow in order kita apa tadi? Apa nama ni? Hello class.
Ya, betul.
Saya dah macam confused sikit. Place cow in order, kita mix the food first kan?
Yes.
Mix the food. Mix the food. It means our system have to mix the food. Mix the food first, then only we put into storage lah. Kan?
Betul.
So do we need to mix the food is mix the food and store macam ni mix the food. We mix
macam boleh sekalikan lah.
Is it together with your storage, your container lah, storage, your container, how you contain the food. You mix first and then you store it. Okay teman-teman, you mix the food. This is your yang tadi kita agree on Mix the food. Mix the food. Then kita store the food. How do we store the food? Okay, you pakai Jamboard kan? Do not use paper like mine. I just want to show you. You use Jamboard, you draw it interactively. Discuss with all your team member. Everybody has to participate. Store the food, then we transfer the food. Transfer the food. After distribute the food equally, we transfer. Kita transfer the food and kita distribute. Can we shortcut transfer and distribute together? Is it possible? No, tak boleh. Class, I need your suggestion. Transfer the food equally. Distribute the food equally, sorry. Position the food. And the last one, remove excessive food. Remove excessive food. Okay. After you done this, are you with me, guys? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Lepas tu, you throw out all the other. So you ready this thing. Okay. You buat Google Jamboard. Then you and your team member have to actively participate. Everybody have to throw out the others. Okay. You can say that. This take long time lah. Place the counter. You can sketch. That's why benda ni is big, guys. Actually, it's not paper like this. A one size kan. Okay, kalau Jamboard ni unlimited size lah, you can just sketch. Jamboard you can sketch idea, betul lah kan? Boleh kan guys kan? Boleh sketch kan on Jamboard?
Boleh.
Boleh.
You can draw kan?
Yes.
When you draw, you can put text, tapi it's good to draw lah. If it's possible, draw on Jamboard. You can interactively kan Jamboard kan? Everybody can draw on the board kan? If I'm not mistaken. Okay, place count order. Maybe you want to, okay, cow entering the row. For example, you have, tadi saya cakap kita ada 2 rows here kan, 2 rows. You have either one cow entering like this, cow direct enter here, and this one, this direction. This one, okay. The second person, throw out dia. Ini yang more kepada, more systematically, like this, like that. Here, dekat ni 1, ni 2, ni 3, ni 4 for example. This one more kepada different approach lah. I don't know lah guys, ini takkanlah saya nak penuhkan all this cell. I don't have time. You ni kan, this one more on the back side, enter, more on the back side, enter, part 1 by 1, kau enter. Okay, ini is kind like very subjective. Is it, as I mentioned earlier, is it yang tadi I mention, is it you punya system tadi, about apa tadi? Adakah you punya part tadi I cakap ini you punya layout plan? I hope they give you the layout plan, right? In the cage, we have 40 cow. Is your system consider together with cow entering? Kalau cow entering, we already done this. Kita punya place cow in order. Okay, you have a lot of solution. You throw this is solution. This is all solution based on the place cow in order. Maybe you have cow, maybe in, okay, you make a different sketch. This one more on front view. You cakap front view different. Instead of plan, this one all plan view, front view, the cow entering. You have some description, you draw it. Okay, throw out all the others. Kalau boleh, fill in, semua penuh. And try to make all these things fill. This one, they have, okay, more on different approach. This is a case. This one more on kepada cow go as. I don't know lah, spiral. I'm just writing it, okay, spiral condition. This one more on sketch in 3D. You have different format. Cow enter here and out, cow enter here, different kind of ideas. Okay, mix the food. Okay, currently they say mix the food. They have kind like blender, right? You say blender, betul guys? Guys, are you with me or not? Class?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, sir.
Mix the food. Is your mix the food together? Is it attached to the storage or? Itulah, something you can argue with me. Maybe you could combine. Your storage tu kind like mix. Maybe you could combine it. You can make it simpler. Storage and mix two kind together. Store and mix. Okay, let's say kita go for mix separately. How do you mix the food? Okay, you use the current they are using. Okay, this one more on rotating cylinder. This one they have to manual pour the food on the mixture, the rotating cylinder. You jot it down lah. Rotating cylinder, then mix the food kan. This one more like a concrete mixer. Currently they use okay, this mixture ni, this one more like mixture the food using of shaking mechanism of a container, a box container, shaking, then they will mix the food. This one more kepada use mixture, the use of in your cylinder, they have a spiral cylinder, they kind like mix the food. Okay, this one more like you have a drum and you have a fin, they kind like macam, you know, like they mix the water juice, right? Mix like that. Then they have any. Kalau tak penuh, I didn't say everything. Kalau tak, you end up dengan 6 column is okay. But it's good. But kalau you can fill in every cell is full, is much better. So you have a lot of alternative lah. This is something. This is more on hopper side. Okay. It's kind like shaking mechanism. Then it will mix the food together. Right. Okay, store the food. Okay, from mix the food, then store the food. How do you store from the mix? When the food is mixed, how do you store it? How you from the mix? When the food is mixed, then the next step is to store the food. How you do transfer the? That's why I think we got you. This one is just example, guys. I didn't say it's correct. Maybe you guys you conduct. Nanti you make your own. Maybe you can store and the mix is together. Understand what I mean? Class. Hello.
Yes, understand.
What I mean, bila tu the food tu, when they do the shovel, they just put the shovel and they pour it into your container, the store of the food. Inside your container ni together, if I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to be like that. Betul tak? Kan?
Betul dia.
The raw material is the food is there, then they pour it, then they use the shovel, then they dump it into your tangki. They dump the food, use the shovel, then they pour it into your container. And the container have mix. I think we have to make a correction on this. Be careful about it. I think we have to combine it. Faham? Okay, let's consider separate. Store the food. Betul lah. Together. You cakap ini together with the cylinder itself. Sorry, I hope you understand what I mean. The cylinder container itself is kind of like mixed already. Betul tak? Okay, this cylinder, vertical cylinder, this is kind like more like rotating drum and mix and store. Can store and mix. Ini vertical cylinder rotating, it mix, can store and mix. Mixing and storage, because I think the storage have to be big lah. Guys, ini contoh my idea. I didn't say my idea ni is right. You have better, you know better condition. Ini my idea can be like maybe childish, I don't know, maybe stupid idea. This because you are the one who do the project on me. Okay, you know better. My suggestion, like if you are storage and mix tu must be together lah. That my suggestion. Tapi kita have little bit problem, kita separate it, right? Okay, this is mix the food. I think they have to be because we are doing two jobs. Maybe wasting our cost when we want to build. If we want to build our machine, if we have separate, I think it should be together. Store and mix together. Shaking, I mean, like this one you have more like spiral. Spiral? You know spiral? You have a cylinder container and you kind of like spiral. Okay, this now I said the spiral is more on mix, right? For example, from the maybe you have idea, if you do it separately, you punya store ni more like cylindrical shape, more on then okay, store the storage, maybe you have this one on more rectangular shape of storage. I hope you understand what I mean. It's supposed to be combined, so and we have some issue here because I need to separate. This doesn't mean this one link to here, no. This one you just throw idea, then you link zigzag like that. You know, you can combine any ideas. Store the food, maybe you have kind like, okay, let's store the food. Kalau katakan, let's say you make it separately, kan? You mix the food, then you pour. Let's say katakan you design your system. Okay, you mix the food by your machine. Can your machine? Okay, you have a mixer. Currently dia punya. Okay, guys. Currently when they blend this mixture, what machine they use? I just assume like a concrete mixer. What they use? Class. Hello class.
Feeder mixing.
The machine tu, dia blend the food, dia mix the food. Apa machine dia pakai tu? Currently.
TMR.
Hello?
TMR.
Ha?
Machine tu apa tapi namanya ni lah, TMR.
P? Soal tak jelas sangat, kuat sikit cakap. Apa
TMR?
TMR tu apa? Dia drum ke apa? Dia kan like drum, dia rotating ke apa? Rotating drum ke? Macam concrete mixer, right? Dia rotating drum ke? Drum tu tangki lah, drum cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape, is it cylindrical shape? And they pour it by shovel and the cylinder is rotating and they mix the food. Something like that, right? Plus, can you hear me or not?
Yes, Doktor, boleh.
Itulah, kalau maybe you are using the punya current, maybe you have your own version lah of mix the food. Tapi we have issue ni, I think container and mix have to be together lah. It means that they should be better. That's why we have problem. Okay, we have idea here, you write down. Sketch here. Understand tak guys? Faham Okay, right, okay. Okay, is my voice clear or not? Ada problem ke apa, tak dengar ke?
Tak ada, clear Doktor, dengar.
Alright, okay. Transfer the food from the container. Okay, I suggest you the storage and the mixing must be combined lah. If my suggestion, when they pour it into a storage, your storage kind like mix also. Or maybe you stay to like this also can. Okay, how do you mix the food? It means kalau if you separately you mean mix the food, then they have to how do you transfer from them after they have done mixing the food? How do you transfer it to your storage too? You have to consider on that. How you do transfer? Is it nampak tak? After you have mixed, then you have to manual pour it in your storage. Maybe your system like that. Kalau you make it combine, I mean you are together lah. Tapi tengok what is the advantage, disadvantage. You discuss among your group. About these two things. This and I think an issue here. Okay, about transfer the food. About transfer the food, how from your storage to how do you transfer? From your storage, they have opening about the valve. How you transfer it to the and pour it. How you pour it to the cow lah. How you pour it to the macam ni. Contoh you ada storage. Katakan okay, let's say you punya storage is on top. Kan? Okay, about the storage tadi, about position how you store the food. Some of you might give idea where is the location you punya storage ni. Ini saya tak sketch ni. Okay, ni you punya layout, ni plan view kan. Ni you punya front view. You tulis ni, front view. It mean this is your cow. Cow is here. So your storage is what position? On the top. Okay, maybe some of you give idea you punya storage, store the food. You have big container, tangki container. So this will be your cage offset, and you maybe transfer it by pipe, something to the cage. Some of you have different pro. Maybe some of you have a silo outside. You have a big silo outside. So ni you punya cage. Using silo. You know what is silo kan? Silo tangki. You mean the food is already there. The food is already mixed food. It mean the workers have already poured some amount. It mean the silo ni they can contain the food for amount of time lah. Okay, so the food will not be overdue lah. Maybe they can they can contain the food from long time. So they have a piping system, then they can transfer to the cow here. Okay, to the cow here. So okay, that's one of the idea. Okay, transfer the food. Can you hear me Boleh lagi Class?
Boleh Doktor, ya.
Boleh Doktor.
Transfer the food, transfer from the storage how transfer. Some of you using, itulah macam ni you ada daripada storage, you ada how you transfer. Maybe PVC pipe ke, okay, from the storage, okay, maybe like this, your storage, you say, your idea is the storage is at the top, at the ceiling of the inside the cage, and we have opening PVC pipe. This for first row, then second storage for the second we have the PVC pipe. So just pour on the channel of for the lembu to eat the food lah. Pour on the channel on the container lah. Okay, that's how we transfer using pipe. Okay, from the storage. Okay, more you using transfer the food or using conveyor. Katakanlah, I don't know conveyor, using conveyor. We have conveyor, make a draw something conveyor. Okay. Some of you have different idea, maybe using C channel, just half cylinder C channel and just based on gravity. Gravity mean opening from your storage and they just pour it down. Okay, you punya makanan lembu is not like makanan kucing lah, it's not like cat food lah. Yang cat biscuit tu more like granular, is easy to ni. But yours is like you more like rumput kan, a mixture of pineapple lah. How can it be done? Kalau you using C channel, it's up to you. Conveyor, maybe one of you using box channel, okay, box channel at slant and angle position, so it can easily slide. Okay. Some of you using a screw feeder. You know screw feeder? You have a thread like that and a shaft and can easily distribute. The advantage of screw feeder, when you use screw feeder, distribute the food is equally memang solve the problem. So it kind of like shortcut here and here. When you use this one screw feeder, you said screw feeder, screw feeder is good kalau like rumput like stray lah, benda stray kan, like hampas from pineapple, mixture of grass. Screw feeder is one of, tapi screw feeder is quite expensive, very hard to fabricate, little bit expensive. Screw feeder, they have a standard screw feeder industry, you can get other supplier on that. It's good while they are transferring the food, they automatically they equally distribute between the thread of the screw. Can you see my sketch? Sorry, between the thread screw feeder. Okay, one of you using hollow cylinder, one of you using hollow box, and using how you transfer using vacuum, using blower. This one also using blower jadi senang jadi ni. You cakap ada blower from the feeder or pump. This one using pump or blower. This one using pump system. You pump the food through the channel. Okay, distribute the food equally. Okay, distribute the food equally. It means, your food. I think your machine, your food is not on the cement floor lah. What I'm thinking Your punya solution not on the cement. Your food will be poured on the channel. Betul tak kelas? Kan? Your system ni. Takkan you end up dengan your system, you pour the food on the floor. Class, are you listening or not?
Yes, betul.
Yes.
Betul tak?
Betul.
Betul.
Takkan you pour on the ni, mesti ada kind like ada container for the food. Maybe a channel kan. Kalau I look on the view macam dia ada long channel kan. Then just pour the food on the channel. Distribute the food equally. So how to make sure how the food is equally distributed. Pasal ini kita transfer the food ada channel lah. Maybe how you pour the food in each cell, the cow in the cell, the food is distributed equally. So how you punya method tu macam mana? You sketch idea sini lah kalau boleh. Macam mana you, okay, you have the channel, maybe a C channel here, then you cakap dia ada partition. Ada partition. I cannot think lah. I'm alone putting everything. You are 5-6% your work lah. Okay, maybe my idea is rubbish, I don't know. It's kind of like nonsense, okay? You get the picture. Distribute for, maybe you have a box partition, okay? Box partition. Maybe just now screw feeder tadi, okay, screw feeder. Okay, some of you voice screw feeder also. And you cakap ini dah link together kan? Screw feeder and this one is the same. Screw feeder can convey and distribute screw feeder. Screw feeder. Distribute. Some of you put conveyor, still using conveyor. I mean, that kind of conveyor. Conveyor can be costly lah. Tak apa, it might be nonsense. Tapi this one of the solution lah kan. Even sometimes the idea is sometimes nonsense. Just jot it down. Maybe it works. Maybe conveyor, maybe admin memang conveyor, maybe very costly. You have to buy, purchase ni. Tapi sometimes it's soft on one thing. Maybe who knows? Conveyor. Conveyor is more industrial lah. When you transfer material handling, you use conveyor. I don't know about the food. For this farm, I think it's quite expensive. Tapi never mind, you just jot it down. At least we have some, you feel it penuh lah. At least penuh lah sel ni. Tapi guys, jangan penuh ni cakap, jangan letak mengarut lah. Not bad example Put yang useful punya idea lah guys. Understand what I mean guys? Saya nak cepat. Okay, kelas.
Yes, understand.
You know. Distribute ni. Ini anda distribute food equally. Apa lagi? Takkanlah saya bercakap ni penat ni. Korang lah apa benda ni? Cepat. Aduh hai. Sian aku. Saya bercakap nak penuhkan sel ni. Korang senyap ni. Cepatlah sikit masa berjalan ni. Dah nak pukul 1 ni. Kalau kita 2 jam ni.
Kalau mana conveyor tak ada tu.
Conveyor dah ada letak ni.
Kalau conveyor ada portion tak tu?
Conveyor yang ada pun aja lah. Contohlah conveyor ada portion lah. Conveyor ada portion. Dia ada partition kan.
Ada partition.
Ada partition conveyor. Ada conveyor tu kan. Dan you write down something lah. It can easy distribute. Okay. Distribute equally. Cone shape. Yes. Cone shape. Tak, ini jangan just immediately you want to fill in, no guys, ini bukan try to all, you are 5 or you maybe 6 of you, throw out all the good ideas lah. Kalau you throw all, if you throw like mine some rubbish idea, nanti janganlah do not throw out rubbish idea. Sorry I said that, do not throw out rubbish. Maybe some of my idea ni kind of rubbish pasal I don't have time, I'm the one do the talking You are 5% of you. Throw out all the ideas. Yang good ideas. Distribute the food equally. Yang logic, it will work. Macam you cakap tadi, cone shape. I don't know what you mean by cone shape. As long you explain to your team member how you punya cone shape ni work. You write down something. Maybe your team member, oh yeah, that you mean by cone shape. Ada lagi apa lagi? Apa lagi? Cone shape lagi apa? Spherical shape. Apa benda? Cone shape. Pyramid. Distribute the food equally. Dia ada ada valve. Itulah yang you punya, you can think of Arduino punya system, right? You have some pipe. You ada explanation more schematic diagram also can be put here. Then okay, they will pour. You cakap Arduino. Yeah, you can. This one is solution. You can both. Maybe some here we have Arduino. Not just here. You have Arduino idea. You put it down. Throw down here. Okay. Position the food. Apa tadi? Saya lupa. Guys, come on, you maybe come on. Apa cerita position the food ni?
Sebab asyik tengalih bila lembu makan.
Ya, seralih. Okay. Apa solution dia? Throw out all the solution.
Kena modify apa tu? Yang cara kita distribute food ni, kita kena modify dia punya tu supaya
feed container. Contohlah saya tak tahu feed container feed. The food is moving, right? Entah kan?
Yeah.
So, because the cow ni dia kan like pushing with their nose, betul lah kan? Betul, am I right? When it's ready to eat. So the food tu can, kalau currently they pour it on the ground, on the cement floor, and the cow try to eat, so it mean the food can be, apa kita cakap, the food can be easily berkecah kan?
Betul.
Yeah, fell over all around, scattered around. So there are a lot of waste food kan. They are not optimally eat the food. Betul tak kan? They not eat the food optimally. So you put all the solution here lah supaya you can solve the problem. Cakaplah sini, takkan saya nak bercakap. Ini saya cakap feed container. We have kind like a wall, okay? Kita cakap penghadang fix apa? Fixed wall. Ini cakap. Ini fixed container, fixed wall. Only wall saya ini save time lah, tapi just like L shape. So the only at the channel ada fixed wall. This one both two wall ke apa? Tapi ada holes here. Ada holes. Your idea. This one you more on box. Everything is in box. Everything is in box. Everything is in narrow semi-cylinder. I mean it's kind like feed. This one they kind like have a tray, simple tray. As long as you have simple tray, memang dia takkan, they will never move. Tray, you write down something. Ini kind like this, semi-cylinder. Write down, write something. Okay, right. Jadi another sketching. Okay, remove excessive food. The last one apa? Remove excessive food sebab apa? Sebab ada leftover, right?
Ya, betul.
This about cleaning kan, cleaning the food kan, water spray. Sometimes kadang-kadang macam ni you tak perlu sketch. Sometimes you can just write sentence pun boleh, as long you and your team member understand. Understand tak guys?
Yes.
Water spray, water jet,
blower,
wiper.
Tapi kalau better you sketch something lah, wiper, vacuum. Vacuum lagi. Ada lagi. Vacuum combine plus ni lah, you make a sketch, then you have moving platform. Moving platform. Ada kind macam cakap wiper lah. Wiper pun ada lot of stuff. Wiper kan dia wipe. This one they have kind like they push the food to the, you make some sketch. Nampak tak? Kalau you everything is apa tu? Class, are you with me or not? Okay, sikit lagi Alright. Make sure full lah. Make sure your morphological is full. Bila you are full, okay, the idea when you throw all the good ideas in here, katakan you have 7 column. Possible do it 7 column, 8 is much better. Tapi 6, minimum 6 akan, not less than 6. Boleh tak? 1, 2, 3 is not represent your group member. No. The more column you have, the much. Tapi you should put like 9, 10, 12 column, impossible lah. Tedious, kind of tedious. Take long time. Like mine I show ni 7 column is quite good. Okay? You throw. When you have done this, is completed. Now, okay, now only you give you creativity is there. Now then you can give you idea to design your business system. Understand tak? Because from here you have unlimited amount of solution. Am I right? Betul tak? How many row do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. How many column you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 column. It means the number of solution is berapa? Kalau you belajar matrix tak? Probability. Berapa solution ni kita ada? 7 row, 7 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 row, 7 column. How many solution do we have?
49.
We combine. Berapa solution kita ada? If I'm not mistaken, about 107, I think 100, close to million solution. 100,000. I'm talking about 100,000. Betul tak? Solution. The idea, okay, the idea of morphology is that when you throw all that, then only you get the picture. Then only you and your team member get picture tau. Then you can see, oh, this all possible sub under here, sub solution. It gives you ideas. Because the idea of morphological chart doesn't mean, okay, you must follow this. No. The idea of morphology is kind of like brainstorming. You have a freely, you throw out what the possible, and not nonsense idea, guy. Throw out all the possible ideas. When you have, if you fill in, if your morphological is full, it gives you alternative, a lot of possible alternative for you to generate ideas on your own. Okay, after you've done this, I hope you done it. You conduct what do your function decomposition just now, that I showed just now tadi, that what we agree tadi. Okay, then you do this. Okay, then after you done this, then you can, you and your team member, you can, okay, you give, okay, this might work. Macam ni tengok, you look, oh, this system and this one, you combine this wing. And this one combined with here, this one and water jet. Nampak tak? Can you see link line? Nampak tak?
Yes.
Hello. Macam saya cakap tadi, screw feeder. Walau screw feeder is kind like expensive, tetapi at certain thing dia solve the problem of transfer the food and distribute food. Dia dah together one. Or you rasa you try to develop. This one is work and you want to use this cylindrical like that. Okay. You have a lot of ideas, lot of combination. Your solution too can be 100,000 tau, because you have 7 rows and 7 column. Kalau you probability you kali kan, from ni, kalau ni 1 column you have ni. Dia macam mana how you calculate probability 7 times 7 kan? It's kind 100 or 1,000 of solution. Okay, solution. So it give you lot of idea. From here then you get, then give you, you nampak, then you will see lot of possibilities. Okay, then after this, after you've done morphological is completed, then you can independently, nampak tak? Can do separately, generate your own ideas. Clear tak guys? You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Then only you and your team member can go separately. Okay, pasal you ada team of 5, then you can separately. Okay, I ask you, I encourage you guys lah, kalau boleh lah, each one of you try to generate 3 concepts. Pasal you have 100,000 of solution, you produce 1 concept, each one of you kan like sorry I cakap kind of waste lah. Understand tak? Then you do sketching. Boleh tak guys?
Boleh Doktor.
Then you do sketching. Sketching it means a combine of it become a complete system. Then you do sketch. Okay, next meeting technique sketching I teach you lah. Tetapi I hope by next meeting ni you dah siap ni boleh. Can this be done before Thursday? After that, and I teach you about sketching lah, give you how you do sketch. Then you sketch you punya ni. I suggest you guys lah, you dah complete 7 rows, 7 column. Each one of you one idea. Boleh lah, itu minimal. To me not wrong. Okay, syarat minimum requirement is okay. Nanti you have 5 concept. Tetapi from here, each one of you can generate at least 3 ideas. So, I cakap can generate 3 ideas. The most, I didn't say at least lah. The most, try to generate 3 ideas. Or kata saya, you tak larat 3 ideas, tak apa, 2 ideas pun also can. Tapi kalau one tu, kind like, you have a lot of solution. Takkanlah you have one idea aja kan. I'm talking each one of you, not the group. Each one of the team member. You have a lot of solution. Takkan from you have 100,000 of solutions, takkan you generate one idea, you have, oh, this might be working. This one is really, this is totally brilliant idea. This, nampak tak? This might work. Maybe you have 3 ideas. Kalau 3 ideas, develop 3, sketch 3 ideas. Nampak tak? You sketch one idea per sketch, it's okay. One idea per sketch. Can understand tak? Sketch idea 1, sketch. Clear tak guys? Hello class. Are you with me? Boleh
Boleh tak tu? InsyaAllah.
Alright, okay. So that's it. Okay, so kita go for attendance. So I hope by Thursday you dah ready this thing. Dan kemudian on the Thursday you dah, okay, I teach you technique of sketching lah. Technique of sketching you mesti ada pensel ni. Sketching pencil. Bukan mechanical pencil, not mechanical pencil yang ni, not mechanical pencil, sketching pencil. You buy stationery sketching pencil and a lot of ni sketch pads. Beli kat stationery. Kelas. Sketch, lot of sketching. Do not afraid to sketch. You have become designer. Sketch idea. Sketch idea. Idea 1, idea 2. Maybe you can have the one, boleh combine 2-3 idea in one sketch. Tapi you do a lot of sketching. Itu next sesi. Tapi I hope you kena completed you punya morphological chart. Okay, function decomposition done, morphology chart. Tapi remember, pernah dengar tell you, PDS you dah already done ni, dah completed. For you to throw out all this idea ni, you dah well prepared with your PDS. All of you dah already well prepared with your knowledge in PDS. Kalau you are blank, PDS not done yet, the idea that you throw away ni is just a rough guess. It's not precise idea because you are not well prepared. You don't have enough knowledge. So I suggest you make sure PDS already done here. Alright, okay, so we go for attendance. Okay, make sure benda ni buat conduct apa tu Google Jamboard boleh kelas.
Boleh Doktor.
Boleh Doktor.
Record you punya kerja activity guide, document kan pasal there's one group I give them credit they got a good point pasal in their report nanti they put all the link of video dia punya recorded activities, they put the link in the link. Also for your portfolio guys, it's good. All you punya activity ni is really valuable. Do not erase in your mind. Make it an archive. Ada recorded of this thing. You can show nanti your potential for you to seeking job nanti they will see your portfolio. Oh, you involved with design project. So how to prove them you punya work activities, your video, your recording, you punya activity record it. I ask you guys to record all your activities, Jamboard semua and so on. Yang basing, I hope you get the picture Ini feeding Basing, I hope you get the picture how we conducting lah for our conceptual design. Hold on jap, lambat sikit ni. While we are waiting for attendance, ada question tak? Class, are you still there?
Yes Doktor.
While we are waiting, lambat sikit attendance ni dia slow, lambat sikit.
Doktor, saya nak tanya.
Yes.
Kalau untuk projek ni, kalau semua ada dekat UTM, boleh ke kita orang buat prototype?
Itulah apa cerita sebenarnya, saya pun tak sure. Semua
Kalau ada yang ada group macam group yang ada members dekat ATM lah.
Yeah, possible. Yeah. Kalau you ada group member, you want to do prototype, is an advantage. Tapi kalau you not capable doing physical prototype, tapi kita online lah.
Okay.
It's advantage kalau you can do physical prototype. Tapi I think your physical prototype will be scale model lah. It cannot be full scale, impossible lah. Because system is a large system kan. Combine of subsystem, it will be scale model. So how you punya model prototype tu can convince you punya client, you want to show to Mr. Kadir kan, you want to show you a video ke apa, you make a model and you can present this thing works, is good, it's an advantage.
Okay doktor. Thank you doktor.
System design section 8. Volume 11. Okay, scan your attendance. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Ni saya tak share ni. Boleh nampak saya punya ni? Ulang jap.
Tak boleh doktor.
Okay, scan your attendance. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam, thank you doktor.
Ya.